Leaves are falling. It's that time of year again. To many, it's fall. But to Vitus and Kyle Strait, it's Rampage season. And you know you gotta get dressed up for Rampage season. After Hardline was canceled, Kyle and the team had a bit of time to spend chatting. Well, you see, Kyle's real particular about his bike setup. And the folks over at Vitus, well, they were ready to listen with open ears. They took everything into consideration. Had to be just right. I mean, this thing is being saddled up by the horseless cowboy himself. And to get this thing buttoned up, they called in the steady hand of Jake Wilkins. Because this man knows a thing or two about dressing something up.
That you will suddenly